General Motors announced Thursday it will invest $5.4 billion in U.S. plant improvements during the next 3 years. Will this set the pace for the rest of the major automakers? I'm joined by Alec Gutierrez, senior analyst at Kelley Blue Book. Alec, GM says the move is being made to boost production and vehicle quality. It's already budgeting about $2 billion more for global capital spending this year than it did in 2014. So what does all the increased spending signify about the company?
Yeah, I think it signifies that GM is really investing in not only the U.S. but globally. I think specifically when you look at where that money's allocated, they're clearly investing in their large utility platforms. You look at Acadia, you look at Traverse. These are utilities that have been hot. The U.S. market is clearly moving towards larger trucks and SUVs, and GM has certainly taken notice and is making sure that their plants are ready to handle that uptick in demand.
Well, we know Ford's been retooling plants as it switches over to the new aluminum-bodied F-150. How do you think this news about GM will impact other U.S. automakers? Will it spur them to spend?
I think it's definitely possible. I mean, you look at the market today, we're on pace to see 16.9, if not 17 million car sales or more. These are some of the strongest numbers that we've seen in certainly more than a decade. And I think that with GM taking a cue to reinvest in their capacity, you could see Ford, you could see Chrysler, Fiat, and other automakers looking to invest as well to ensure that they're able to take advantage of the robust nature of the market today.
Now, automakers have been wary about adding too much production capacity in North America in recent years, instead choosing to increase output at existing plants. Do you expect that to remain the trend?
Yeah, I think automakers will keep their focus on extending capacity in existing plants, trying to increase efficiency as opposed to investing in all new facilities. The reason being is that although the market's in a great state today, the economy's headed in the right direction, you never know what the future holds. And I think there is some hesitation, there is some trepidation that if the U.S. economy were to sink into a recession once again, you don't want to be in the midst of expanding your plant capacity by increasing the number of facilities you have in the U.S. So ultimately, there's a little bit of hesitation there, but ultimately, we'll just have to see how the economic growth continues over the next couple of years to really kind of set the pace.
All right, thank you so much, Alec Gutierrez, senior analyst at Kelley Blue Book. And I'm Brittany Humar for The Street.